So we're going to kick it off with the SPY, ticker SPY. You're looking at a daily chart. Let's focus in on price action dating back to January of 2018. Let me clone this. And the stock basically, for the most part, has remained within this channel. It broke out most recently in August, and although we had a bit of a sell-off today, right? We dipped as low as 286.22. That 285 support area held. So as long as we can hold here, I still think that we're perfectly fine. What do we have next? All right, similar action with the IWM in the sense that we broke out here in May. Stock was trading within a channel of trend. We sold off. Stock hit support, and that support of around $160 held. So we closed at 162.16. Going into next week, we might retest that 160 low. But as long as we can hold that ground, I think we're fine. As far as I'm concerned, we're still in a bull market. What do we have next? Costco, ticker COST, another daily chart. So I did a video on Costco yesterday, and I indicated overall, if you look at a longer term view, right, the chart still remains intact, but there seems to be some sort of a short-term selling pressure. Stock gap down today. We closed at 218. The low of the day was 217. I fully expect that we're going to shed some more in Costco next week. What I indicated was a good area to go long would be around that 200 mark. I think that would be a good area to enter a position. What do we have next? So ticker TSLA, Tesla. Longer term, I am bullish. Short, intermediate term, I think there's also weakness in the stock. Again, I've indicated that all the rallies have been pretty much sold into, and we're having a very hard time remaining above that breakout area of around, let's say, $280 to $300. We're having an extreme hard time maintaining that. We've tried for several days, several weeks, and we just always seem to find ourselves in this sort of like, it's not no man's land, because we've definitely visited here a few times within the past year. But as I indicated here, by support comes in at 240 to 250. We're some ways off, but I really wouldn't touch the stock until then. We closed at 261. The low of the day was 260. I still think that, again, in the shorter intermediate term, there's going to be selling with Tesla. What do we have next? All right, and you have ticker CEI. I did a couple of videos on this stock this week, and again, I have maintained that I'm bearish. Looks like a pump job, like I indicated before. You had the run up, huge sell-off. Everyone who needed to get out and make their profits unloaded around here. As you can see, volume has completely left. There's no one left in this stock, so it's definitely going to crash soon. A break below, I want to say 23 cents, which we're close to, and then this hits about 20. You might get that little pop, but I think it eventually rolls over, and we're going to revisit 15 cents. So more downside, bearish on ticker CEI. So that's it. ShortMeTina from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed this video recap, do two things for me. One, head on over to my YouTube page at ShortMeTina and hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. I do videos every single day. This ensures that when I upload one, you'll hear about it. Then head on over to ShortMeTina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.